Hello everyone, welcome back. So let's see what markets have done, where we are now, and how things will gonna pan out from next week. So the one big question, which is in everyone's mind, is that has this selling started? Uh, what about the portfolio that we are holding? Should we start trimming it? Should we book the profits and sit on the cash? So let's analyze the charts and let's see what markets are doing. We know that it's a bearish environment all around. uh, Specifically the US markets have down a lot. European markets are down. However, as far as our Indian markets are concerned, we are still very stable. Uh, now let's see what Nifty is doing. So prices have done nothing much today. It was like go nowhere day. We open gap down, pretty much moved in a range, and and closed somewhere at the where we opened today. So now there are a couple of things that we should try to look more closely to understand that what should we expect from here on. So the first thing that I can see is that although there wasn't much of the selling that we have seen today, but prices have for the first time in a while have closed below the rising 20 MA. Now that really indicates something. uh, During the day, when we gap down and we try to stabilize, and then we try to the market tried to bounce from here, but it couldn't able to reach somewhere here, which if it did was bullish. So prices opened and they pretty much move in the same range, and they were not able to go back up and close within the yesterday's range. So that means that that the selling pressure is there. That means that maybe the sellers are getting control gradually. If you remember, I in my last video I mentioned that this bar was a mini breakout failure bar, and since then we were not able to make new highs, and the selling have started. This was a bearish day. However, as expected, after this bearish day we did not have a kind of follow through as expected. So that means that we are still doing pretty much okay as compared to what other markets are doing. Maybe we have closed below the 20 MA, but we are still above the major support area. So what I am expecting now is that if prices on Monday, if they just dipped down and then came back up, something like this, to me it would be bullish, because that shows that buyers are still lurking below and they are still able to ready to bounce back if they have been given the opportunity. This is the first scenario. The other one could be that prices will now they pretty much move in a range, and then probably they will come down and break the major support area. So that would be the beginning of the crash as what we are experiencing in the US market. So this is two possible scenarios that I can think of right now. So let's see where the market will open on Monday and what it will do. If it will break down, we still have pretty much room to the downside where the prices can go. And if they will take support and they bounce back as we have as I have shown you here, then probably we can think of going long at the appropriate pattern. Otherwise, we will be in a wait and watch situation. So that's for the Nifty 50. Let's also look at what the Bank Nifty is doing. So in case of a Bank Nifty, it looks even weaker than the Nifty 50 because after the same same kind of pattern, it closed below the 20 MA. It tried to bounce back, however it wasn't able to reach and close in the yesterday's range. So that is still bearish. We are seeing that the rising to the 200 MA is kind of it's flattening out, which means that prices might move in a range, or they might bounce a little bit and then probably will break the support. The nearest major support that I can see in Bank Nifty is somewhere here. So both Nifty and Bank Nifty, which are the main indices of our market, they indicate that some kind of crash. I should not say crash, but some kind of downside they will show in the coming days. So we should be ready with that. My bias is, as of now, it's neutral to bearish. However, until they will break the major support, we cannot say that the downtrend had started. However, the indications are that they might break the major support, and some strong selling will come soon. So that's it for today. Hope you will like the video. If you're getting some knowledge from my videos, please do consider subscribing the channel. Please share your feedback. Please press the bell icon so that when I upload the next video, you will get the notification. Share it with your friends. If you have any questions regarding the stocks or the index, do post them in the comment below. Till then, see you next time. Bye.